Good morning, everyone. Let me share my screen. Yeah, morning, everyone. Okay, so yesterday we have done this till this step, right? So, um, okay. So here I just wanted to do some couple of changes, first of all. Um, okay, so let me explain you that. So, so here we do have something called plugins. So just to double click on the shift icon. Sorry, just do double shift. Yeah. So here you can actually go to the plugins. So if you just go to the plugins, you will see something called Atom Material Icons. Okay. So you just install it. Once that is installed, then probably you will be able to see this icons in a nice way over here. Okay. So this is how you can actually get that particular look. IntelliJ, not only its look wise, but it is really very good. Yeah. Yeah, Atom. Okay, just type Atom Material Icons, it will pop up. Okay, once you install it, probably it will be applied. Okay, so that's the total idea. And here I just wanted to do some couple of changes first of all. So if you just go to this book service exception handler, so here basically uh, so this is the list of, okay, I have actually done the changes. Okay, so I just wanted to remove the changes and keep the changes like yesterday. So I just wanted to go to this exception handler. So here I just wanted to remove this, and here I just wanted to do method argument not valid exception dot get binding result dot get all errors dot get of zero dot right, so get default message. So this is how we actually perform this, right? So yesterday we were actually at this particular step where we have actually defined the message, but here the problem is, let me start the application. Okay, and let me make this as create so that it will be for now I just wanted to keep like that because I just wanted to start this application multiple times. so that my table will not be loaded with so many records. So let me run this application. Okay, so run this application. It is actually running. Don't show me this, man. I just wanted to go to this and here. Submit. Yeah. So now we do have this and probably I just wanted to go and hit this. So I just wanted to remove user ID and I just wanted to remove booking amount. Okay. So now, okay, sorry. I just wanted to remove comma here. Yeah. So if I just submit these details, what is the detail that you are going to see over here? This is an error message, simple error message, right? So booking amount is mandatory, but where is the error message to user ID? So here we are actually just go to this exception handler. If you just go over here, so we do have something called a method argument not valid exception dot get binding result dot get all errors dot get of zero and get date of default message. So here we are actually collecting the top message. What is the latest message once we remove the user ID and the booking amount over here, right? So probably we will be getting the latest message, which is a booking amount message and not the user ID message. So how we can actually collect those error messages and give that messages as a list. Okay, so that's the reason in the response DTO, I just wanted to make this as error messages. And here I just wanted to make this as a list of string. So morning also I have explained the same application to the Spring Boot microservices batch. So that's why the changes are here. Okay. So, so here what I just wanted to do now, I just wanted to go to this exception handler. Instead of giving one single message, I just wanted to give all the messages. For now, what I just wanted to do, so here method argument not valid exception dot get binding result dot get all errors. So here I will be getting that list of object error. This is errors, right? Errors list. Okay, so I just wanted to call this as errors only because I'll tell you why it is like that. So I just wanted to write a for each loop, but later on we will replace this completely with the lambda expression. Yeah. So here I just wanted to keep errors. Object error. It's simple error. And here I just wanted to, get that error and add that. So here I just wanted to create one variable list of all the errors are string messages, right? So probably error messages list, okay, or error messages equal to new array list. Okay, and now I just wanted to add that error to the error messages dot add error. So this is a type of object error. So I can have the get default message where in this default message, we will be having this message. Okay. So that's the total idea. And now we can add that error messages over here in order to see that. Okay. So now this is done. And probably what I can do now, I'll just restart my application. And I just wanted to run this application over here. Okay, so now let's see what is the response that we are going to get now. Okay, so everything's done. Now I just wanted to submit the data. So here you can see that. So here it is actually giving the list of error messages. Okay, So here what is basically it is doing. So user ID is mandatory and it cannot be null or empty. And also the booking amount is mandatory. Okay. So let's say I just wanted to give the user ID and the booking ID or the booking amount as 0 and the user ID as empty value, then probably let's send this and see the detail. So please provide a valid amount. That's good. And the user ID is mandatory and it cannot be null or empty. All right. Previously, we have not sent this. So probably we are going to receive the same data. Right. So this is the total idea. But here, if you see this, we are actually creating a list of errors. That's fine. But here we are again creating a new variable inside the method, right? So whenever we create a variable inside a method by default, that will be stored in the stack frame, correct? Correct or not? Okay. So this error messages variable is also going to store inside a stack memory, and then probably it is going to load with some memory. But why unnecessarily we need to create this one? So do we have any alternative for this? Can we convert this can we convert this code to a lambda? Anyone? So can we convert all this 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 into a single lambda expression? Can we do that? Yes. Okay, thank you, Akash. Yeah. So here what we can simply do, right? So Akash has given me one thing over here. So in the chat. So what I can just do now. So here error messages. So here what I can simply what I just wanted to do. So I just wanted to copy this one, the code. Get all errors dot. I just wanted to apply a stream, and then probably I just wanted to apply a map function. So this is going to return me the object error. So this is what we are actually doing, right? So when we call a stream, it is actually going to give me the type of object error. So object error, and here object error dot get default message. But this is not the best way. I will tell you the other way around. So collect dot collectors dot to list, and then we are done. Okay. So now I will tell you why this is giving an warning. Okay. So we can actually replace that with a method reference also. I will tell you the way, but let me restart this application and let's see whether this is working or not. And also I will tell you the advantage of using streams operation over here, because it is really mandatory for everyone to know about these details. Yeah. So if I just go and hit this data again, so we will be getting the same result. Okay. There is no problem inside that. Okay. So user is mandatory and it cannot be null or empty. Please provide a valid amount. If I just remove this one as well as this one, then probably the error will be different. So both are mandatory. So booking amount is mandatory and user ID is mandatory and it cannot be null or empty. Okay. So now what happens is, let's say, what is this one? So this is basically a lambda, right? So we can also replace this one with the dot map and object error dot get default message. So this is how we can actually replace a lambda with the method reference like this. Okay, so that's the total idea. Yes. So this is something called a method reference. So if you just wanted to if you just wanted to get some data, right? So you can actually use a method reference, but here this is basically a lambda. A lambda can be replaced with a method reference, but not all lambdas can be replaced with method reference, because if there is a single call, we can just call it like this using a method reference. But there is no difference between this one and this one. Both are going to perform the same way. Okay, so that's the total idea. And here, what we are basically going to do, just restart our application now. and test it whether everything is working fine or not. And let's discuss about this disadvantage, why this code is not suitable. Okay, so let's go to that. And go to the Postman and submit the data. Good, we are actually getting the same output, right? So here, let's go to this one and see what is the disadvantage that we are going to get over here. So if you ask me truly, if this code is not there, that means what I'm saying, if this code is not there, and if this code is there, then probably here we are actually getting the binding result get all errors, right? So here what we can say, this errors is basically a list of object type error. Okay, this is fine. But here we have actually created one list, right? So this list is basically an array list, and this is a mutable variable. This is a mutable variable. Why I'm saying this as a mutable variable? Because this variable is getting changed every time at line number 26, correct? So let's imagine if this is a multi-threaded environment application, if this particular class is running inside an environment, multi-threaded environment where multiple requests are going to execute at the same time. Let's say there are 10 to 12 different requests. What will happen? As this is a mutable variable, so this list can increase a lot. Not only there are two messages, there will be, let's say right now we are actually getting two messages, right? Correct or not? We are actually getting two messages. So if this is being run inside a multi-threaded environment, and let's imagine there are four different requests. Okay, four different requests are there. Now four different requests are actually executing at the same time. So what happens? So this will become 4 into 2, 8 times the same messages, right? So better to avoid this one. Okay. So that's the reason this is a mutable variable. But do you see any kind of immutability over here? That means mutability over here. So we are not creating any, I just wanted to remove this one as well. Yeah. So here we are not actually creating any variable like this inside a method of method argument not valid exception, right? So are we creating any variables over here? So is there any chance of mutability over here? No, right? There is no chance of mutability. So this is an immutable code. This cannot be modified by any of the application. That means even if our application is running inside a multi-threaded environment, this will work simply fine. Okay. And if you just wanted to make this as parallel stream also, you can just make it. But that is not required for this simple case of scenario. Okay. So this is how we actually avoid writing this type of code. So I just wanted to remove this, and also remove this one. Okay. So if you just go to the response DTO, so what is the response that you are going to get? 400 bad requests. But here, this is a Postman tool. We are going to get 400 as a bad request. Only 400 status code will be retrieved by the Angular application or React application. But this is a Postman, so it is actually showing the 400 status code along with the bad request. But it is always a best practice to return the error description also. Private string status code description. Okay. Or you can also give us error description. Okay. So better to use status code description. Okay. Or error code description. Anything that you want. Okay. That's it. And if I just wanted to go to this, so here I just wanted to use dot. What is that? Error description. So here I just wanted to use HTTP status dot bad request dot get reason phrase. Okay, so here we are actually returning the status code, but here we are actually returning the description of this one. Okay, so if you just go to this bad request, So it is actually saying it is a bad request. So this string will be returned. So that is a reason phrase. Can you see this? It is a reason phrase. So let's go and run this application again and run this application. Mm, now send the data. So here you can see that we are getting the error description as a bad request. Okay, so that they can actually display this, see if it is being used by Angular or React. So basically we can send this description so that they can actually display this request on the UI as a bad request. And bad request, and these are the error details that they can also show inside the UI. They're using Angular or React. Okay. um, the next thing is, so probably you have understood, right? So we have converted each and everything. So right now we don't require any changes over here. But right now, if you just go to the booking service API, the booking service IPL, so here we are actually pending with the call to the payment service. Okay. So today what we are going to do, so we are just going to establish a communication between the booking service and the payment service, but we don't have the payment service right now, correct? So what we can simply do, we can just go to this one, start.spring.io, and just select Maven and add the dependencies, let's say web. We just wanted to add the dependency as Lubbock, and we just wanted to add okay, for now these are fine. So yeah, for now this is fine. Later on we will add more. Okay. So driver, yeah, we will add that later, but not right now. I just wanted to see whether the call is happening or not to the payment service by using paying client. So com.movie.ticket.booking.system.payment.service. Okay. So I just wanted to call this as payment-service, and simply this is a payment service. Good. And just generate this one and go inside this. Just copy this and go to the desktop, workspace, trainings, knowledge training, batch 2. I just wanted to paste it over here and I just wanted to extract here. That's it. Now this is done. We can remove this. We can just open this payment service inside the IntelliJ Community Edition, press project and a new window. Don't select this window. Okay. We need to open everything. So here, what is this, man? So now if I just wanted to go to this main resources, here I just wanted to remove this and I just wanted to add application.yaml file, application.yaml file, and I just wanted to give the server port 9091 because the booking service is running inside 9090, right? So I just wanted to give Spring application name as payment-service. Okay. And I just wanted to remove this. And I just wanted to go to this and I just wanted to create a couple of packages. So I'll have APIs. So in real time for payment service, we will not expose any of the APIs, but I'll also tell you the disadvantage if you are going to use APIs, what will happen. Okay. So I just wanted to open new package and I just wanted to call this as services. And also I just wanted to call this as repositories. Right now we don't have any repositories, but we will add later. So, and then we are going to have DTOs. Okay. So right now I just wanted to go to the APIs and I just wanted to add a new Java class payment API and just use the basic annotations REST controller at the request mapping. So for bookings, we have actually given bookings. For payments, we will actually give payments. Okay. So public void create payment, and then so I just wanted to test this dummy API for now. So get mapping. Let's call this one directly from the booking service. So return, hey, your payment was successful. Okay. Okay. So now we can just add create payment is done. So probably, okay, we are done with this one. Okay. So now what I can just do, I can simply start this application. Okay. Now it started. I just wanted to go to this booking service. And here there's a payment call service, right? So here I just wanted to create another package. And I just wanted to call this as package as brokers. And here I just wanted to create a new class. That means it's an interface. Basically, I just wanted to call this as payment service broker. And I just wanted to annotate this with paying client. Okay. So we have actually seen in the demo session how we can actually use paying client in order to call the other service, right? Let's say I just wanted to go to this pom.xml and here we need to add one annotation, which, sorry, the one dependency, which is something called, so this is not a payment service. Let me go and select this start.spring.io, select a Maven, and I just wanted to add one dependency, explore, no explore, just add the open train. No, open train is not added, Akash. Okay. So here, so what we can simply do, we can just copy this version. Where is this one? Yeah. And I just wanted to go to the booking service because booking service has to make a call to the payment service, right? So booking service needs to have the payment properties. Okay. So here I just wanted to make this as 2022.0.4 because this is the valid version which will be, can be used with Spring Boot parent. Okay. So I just wanted to refresh this and let's go to this one and copy the dependency management of this one. So I just wanted to add the dependency. So if I just go and add this dependency after this, so I just wanted to refresh this a project, but this will not work because Spring Boot, Spring Cloud Starter OpenFane is the dependency provided by Spring Cloud and not Spring Boot. Okay, so we cannot add another parent for this. Okay, so for that they have actually provided the dependency management. They can provide actually the special POMs over here. Okay, so here I can just add the dependency management over here. And now this will be done. Okay, so now simply what we can actually do, we can just go to the booking service application and annotate this with @enable Feign clients. So this can have multiple array. So this can have multiple Feign clients, but right now we do have only one client, which is @Feign client. And here we need to give some information to this Feign client as a metadata. So here I just wanted to give the name of the service as the payment service to be called. So payment-service, and the URL is http://localhost:9091 is the place where it is actually running, and payments is the root URL. Okay, so now simply what you can just do, you can just go to this one, the payment API, and just copy this one and paste it over here. Only the signature is needed. No method body is required. Okay, so this is how we actually use the payment service broker. Now, if I just go to this booking service IMPL, I can just go on top of this and add private payment service broker, payment service. And here I can just simply call it as a payment service. This dot payment service. So here we need to make a call to this dot payment service dot create payment. So basically it is going to give some response to us. String payment response, right? But here we have not integrated Stripe still. Okay, so first of all, so what we can do over here, payment response this is, and I just wanted to start the application simply in debug mode. Okay, and let's see what is the response that we are going to get. So today I will be committing the application to the GitHub. You can just take this reference and understand how the flow is happening, and what is the dependency management, everything you can go through this. Okay. Oh, sorry. We need to use @autovite. Sorry for that. Okay. Yeah, we need to use this one. Thanks, Murli. Yeah, I just wanted to start this again in debug mode. Okay. So now I just wanted to start payment service also in debug mode so that we can see the response. That means the payment service is called or not. This is a separate application. This is a payment service and this is a booking service. Now, okay, so now everything is done. Yeah. Okay. So now I just wanted to submit this data from the Postman, and let's see how the flow goes. And also in the payment API, I just wanted to keep a debugging point, and inside the booking service, and I also wanted to keep a debugging point inside the booking service. So here I can actually make a call to this, and I just wanted to go to this. And here basically you can keep a debugging point over here, and that's it. And here now I just wanted to go and hit the data from the Postman. So here let's submit the valid data, and here let's send the request. So now our request has reached the booking API. So this is a booking service, and here I just wanted to go forward. Yes, good, very good. So now we are actually saving the entity. That is fine. So once we save the entity, we will be getting the booking ID. So we need to send this booking ID, user ID. That means for payment service, what are all the things are needed? So we need to use booking ID and also the booking amount, because this will be used by the payment service in order to do the payment, right? So probably just go one step forward, and now we are actually calling the payment service. Now let's see whether it is going to call the payment service or not. Okay, super. So very simple. Now we have actually reached the payment service, and if you can see, this is a separate application. So we have actually used a Fang client in order to make a communication to other services also. So Fang client is basically a REST client. It can be used to call other services which are running on other servers by simply having, how it is actually calling, by simply giving the name of the service and also the URL of the service and the endpoint that we need to hit. That's it. Very simple. And this is what we are going to do. This dot payment service dot create payment is actually calling this method, which is having this URL with the payments as a request mapping and the get request. Okay. So this is how it is actually going. And then probably it is going to send the response back to us. And then we are done with this, and we are going to get the response as, hey, your payment was successful. And then probably we are going to go one step forward, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, and hit this, and we are going to get this response. That is very, very simple. Got it? Okay. So that's the total idea. So now we have done everything, but still the Stripe payment gateway is not at integrated. But for today, I think this is very huge. So probably what I can do for now today, I'll just go to this one, and what I can simply do, uh, 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 close all tabs, um, and also to the payment service. Yeah. So today, what I just wanted to do, uh, I just wanted to go to the GitHub account of mine, and I just wanted to create a booking service, and I just wanted to make it as public. And here, I just wanted to do a git init first of all. So I just wanted to go to the console. That means a terminal first. So here, I just wanted to do a git init to make it as a git initialized repository. So git status, very good. So we have got this git ignore and all this kind of things. So now what I just wanted to do, git status. So we need to add all these files. So once we add that, we can actually see that these files are already added. So now I just wanted to create the console, and just wanted to do a git commit -m. So here, initial commit, done. Clear this. So git status, nothing to commit will be there. Super. Clear this, and once we push that, so make this branch as, so this is a master, right now. Can you see this? This is the master. So we need to change this to the main branch. So now this has actually changed this to main. And now what we can simply do, we can add the origin of this request, paste it. Good. And now we can actually use this one and push it. Okay. I just have a token. So probably what I will do, duplicate. So here I just wanted to go to my settings. Yeah, sorry. So here account. Where I have this key, public file. Where I can actually see the activation code, the activation key account. Password and authentication. But here I have a key, I guess. Okay, so right now I will just go and uh, sign in with your browser. It's not even working. Hey, this is done. So this is actually pushed. Let me refresh this because it is already signed in, right? So yeah, this is the one, right? So let's refresh this. There you go. Okay. So now create another repository, payment service hyphen service, and just create a repository and um, do the same thing for the payment service also. Let's. Oh, sorry. This is a payment service, right, guys? Okay, so I need to change the name of the. This is a payment service, right? So just go to the settings. Inside the settings, you have an option to change that to payment service. Name. Yeah. So this is a payment service, right? So payment hyphen service. Okay, it is already existing. So what we can simply do, we can just go to this one. What we have done, guys. Settings. Delete this repository. Just type this. Okay, so now replace this with payment service because this is a payment service code only, right? So we don't have to go inside this. So if you see this pom.xml, this is a payment service. So we have committed the payment service code. Okay, so probably what I can do now, I will just go to this settings and I will just rename this to payment service and just rename it. So now we have this one. So now I just wanted to go to that repositories and create a new repository over here. So I just wanted to call this as a booking service. And here everything is good. I just wanted to go inside this booking service. Now I just wanted to open a terminal and do a clear. And I just wanted to do a git init. And I just wanted to do git status. I just wanted to add everything. So do a git status again. So everything is added. So now I just wanted to do git commit -m. Then git commit -m and then initial commit. And then I just wanted to do the renaming convention. So git branch -m main. So just wanted to paste it over here. I just wanted to add the remote origin so that the code will be committed to this particular origin. And here Just wanted to add this again. There you go. Done. Okay. So we have pushed this. Now refresh this. We'll be having a booking service. Got it? So now we have everything. Good. Everything is done now. Okay. Good. So now what I will just do, first of all, just wait for a bit, guys. So morning people are also asking. So booking service, payment service. I just wanted to open the Telegram. So Spring Boot microservices. Can we forward this? Select yes. Super, right? Here it is coming like this, but why it is not coming here? Okay, let me do one thing, okay? Select, just simply delete it, forward it. So select. Good idea, right? That's it, guys. Yeah. Okay, I think probably everything is done. So even so now probably guys, okay. So what you can simply do today, so you can just take this particular code and then probably you can just do some experiments on this. So for today and tomorrow we'll be trying to integrate the Stripe payment gateway. Okay. So this is just for your understanding because yes, Suresh.
Yeah, I have one simple question. Like you have used a client fan, so can we also use a REST template instead? And
REST template is deprecated. It's not being used no more, Suresh.
okay.
That is the old one.
So if you are using old version, then which version?
No, not old version. See, REST template is basically from Spring Framework. Feign client is basically from Spring Cloud. So Feign client has more advanced features than REST template.
Okay.
Okay,
And
it will do the load
Cloud,
balancing and all
do
this
we have
kind
to
of
do
stuff
anything?
behind the scenes. Sorry?
If you want to use Spring Cloud, we can use directly, right? Don't need any.
Yeah, no need, no need. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are both the
And Murli?
Hello, sir. I want to ask regarding the Git. So first you committed, no, sir. So first it commits to the master branch, right? So inside
Right,
commit.
exactly.
Okay. Later we change the branch and then we have done the
See here, basically, if you see this, we have actually changed our branch to main from master, and we
Yes.
have committed to the main branch only, right? So that's the total idea.
Git remote add origin. What is this?
Which one?
Git second line. Git remote add origin. The second command, sir.
This one.
Yeah.
See, basically, this is a local repository, right?
Yes.
This is a remote repository. So we are actually making this local repository code to be added in the remote repository. So the remote repository URL is this one. Got it?
Right. Yes.
That's it. That's the total idea.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, this is local and this is remote. So we are adding the complete local code to the remote URL location code. That's it. That's the total purpose.
Right.
Ante, otherwise, if you are not going to add this origin, then where our code should go, to which repository it has to go, right?
Yes.
That's the total idea. Yeah.
Will you do deep dive in Git, sir, regarding it?
We will do that, but not right now.
Okay.
This is not the right time, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And Giridhar?
Yes, sir. Just now I started
Yeah.
using this IntelliJ. Just I want to know one small shortcut. Means in Eclipse we will go directly. Means go to implementation method. Like means if we are calling one method to from another class. So means I haven't found any shortcut like that in online. So.
Okay, so let me go to this. So here you can just select the create booking. So here you can just press Control Alt B.
Control Alt B.
Okay, so it will directly come to that. And if you just wanted to come back, Control Alt left arrow, it will come back again. Okay, so basically, no, 1 second. If you just go and see this one, go to see here, it is actually giving you the commands. Okay. That's the total idea.
Symbols like for that we have a symbol for debug. So means in Eclipse we can have front and back arrows like that. Is there any shortcuts here?
Front end, back end. I didn't understand.
Not front end. We have one back arrow and front arrow. Just we can traverse our history. Like that way, is there any?
Okay, basically you are asking about local history.
Local means I'm asking. So from here we went to create booking, right?
Yeah, now I have gone to this. Yeah.
Means from here we went to somewhere. Means if you have a database, just we went to database. Just I want to come back the order in which way. I want to come back the order in which way I went.
Okay, use Control Alt and backward arrow.
Okay. Control Alt backward. Okay.
That means left arrow. There is a greater than and less than symbol, right? So press less than symbol. That's it.
Okay, got it.
It will come back, and it will also go forward when we click on Control Alt greater than symbol. Okay.
Greater than symbol. Okay.
Yeah. So that's the total idea. That's the only question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And Ali.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Ali. Tell me.
I tried to implement this booking service, sir, and I called the service. I'm not getting the UUID, that is booking ID, in the response.
Okay. So what I can do for you?
I can quickly share my screen. Maybe you
okay,
can
sure.
Exactly, I'm going wrong.
Yeah. Please share your screen now.
Okay.
Open your ID.
It is currently in a running state. Shall I show you the?
Go to the booking service IMPL directly. So here response DTO dot get booking ID, movie ID, everything is there. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now tell me, what is the issue?
So when I call this from the postman, right, we should get the booking ID here, but I'm not getting that booking ID in the response.
Okay.
And in MySQL Workbench, if we see like this is saved something like this, it's
Yes, yes, right.
That's
Yeah.
fine, right? But
That
I'm
is
not
good.
sure like what's going wrong, but we are not getting the booking. I'm not getting the booking ID here in the response.
Okay. Go to the booking service IPL.
We
Response
don't need
DTO dot.
here builder in this builder.
No, 1 second. So booking DTO dot booking ID, you are actually sending it. Just go to your response DTO and also to the booking DTO. 1 second, hold on. Okay, go to the booking DTO directly.
Even I
Okay.
observed one more thing. I don't see the booking status as well here, I believe.
Okay. Can you just go back? Yeah. So here, can you just go up? Go up. Can you remove @JSON include? Why this is needed over here? That's my question. Remove that. Remove that completely. That is not required. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, save it. Restart the application. And go to your booking API also. Booking API. 1 second, hold on. What is this word? What is this? Huh? At line number 21, what you are doing? Line number 29. You are giving a request and you are sending that request. You are not sending response DTO.
Okay.
Okay. So use the response DTO and change that response entity to response DTO. Yeah. And also on the top, return type, response DTO. No. Here you need to give the type. Make R as capital.
Yeah.
Import that. Yeah, that is imported. Change the return type. That is simple. Now your issue is resolved.
Yes.
What? Yes. Simple, basic.
It's basic. Sorry. I overread it. Sorry. Thank you.
You overridden it? No, you are not overriding it. You are sending the DTO request. You are simply sending the DTO request as a response. That's it. Very simple. Now you will be getting the booking ID. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Check it. Check it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm checking.
Yeah, it will come. Definitely. That's it. The job is done. Okay. Enjoy. Okay. Thank you, Ali. Yes, Naresh, sir.
Hi, sir. Sir,
Hi,
while
sir.
writing
Tell
in
me,
the
sir.
service class in this, can we add the comments in the code, sir?
Yeah, we can also add comments. Yeah, we can also add comments, but I will also let you know about that, Naresh. Not right now.
Yeah.
Because see, we cannot add comments everywhere. Okay. I will tell you the reason why. In which cases we need to add comments, and in which cases we don't want to add any comments. Okay, I'll tell you that one.
Yeah, but every day you are updating in Git, right? So you are adding because we are not writing any running class class notes, right? We are not writing any running class notes, right? So
This is
we
a
are going
real-time
to,
project, Naresh.
yeah,
See,
I agree. I agree.
see,
I
see,
agree. I agree.
whatever the no, if there are any new things, I will add the notes. Like right now for Faint Line, I have not added any notes, but I will also add description for that. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
In the GitHub,
But
I'm talking.
no,
We are
one
not
second.
recording.
Hold on. Let me let me tell you the reason why. So 1 second. So let me share my screen first of all. The reason being why I have not given that, I just wanted to give this document to everyone so that everyone can go through that. Somewhere I have actually given the documents. 1 second. Yes. So here I have actually prepared a document for all this kind of Faint Line, the Eureka server and registry. So you can just go to this document and see the beautiful explanations of the microservices. And also if you just see the Faint Client implementation. So I have actually given the small snippets over here. So this is basically from the Spring organization itself. They have actually given some services and they have asked us how to actually go through that descriptions and all this kind of things. So here you have Faint Line. So probably I have Faint is a declarative REST client, helps in writing web service clients, internally generates a proxy class and runtime using dynamic proxy bean. So here you can see how we have actually enabled the Faint lines and the Faint line implementations. And so here is the detail where you can actually go through the descriptions. Okay. So I just wanted to pass this document to the people. So that's the reason I have not given any update on that one. Okay. So probably I will add
So
this.
we for this project, which pattern you are using, sir? Is like a Sega pattern or it is type of
Right now
patterns
it
are
is a
there.
database per service pattern only right now.
Okay.
Okay. So, and I just wanted to give this document as well to this one.
For this mini project, we are going to use any UI, sir? Like
No, for mini project, we
for
are
this
not going
Ernest.
to use any UI. This is just to understand how we can actually write complex code in backend using
Okay.
Kafka integration at the end for the mini project.
Okay.
And we will understand the pros and cons, and then we will start with the Angular, followed by the real-time project with front end and back end.
Okay. In future, if UI added, so UI is going to call this backend service and it's showing into front end, right? So
Yes.
So one more thing, sir, we developed the services, right? We are going to write any unit test cases like JUnit or Marketo. For one example, unit test cases, right? JUnit or Marketo, sir.
I will tell you who is this? Naresh
Sorry,
only.
me only. Sorry,
Yeah.
you forgot to
Naresh,
mute me.
okay. So see, Naresh, basically the total thing is we'll just work on JUnit. JUnit and Marketo are very simple, easy things, Naresh. We'll do that. Don't
Yes,
worry.
yes.
But first, let's achieve our scenario by doing the online payments. That is our main motto. Okay. We'll write the test
These are all
cases.
the
We have
future
so
questions, sir.
yeah.
Sorry.
Yes, right. Yeah, that's it, Naresh. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hope you can go through that Spring Cloud, service documentation, and I have actually given a very good use cases and diagrams. You can just go through that and understand each and everything, and also just understand about this booking service and the payment service, how the actual flow is going on, and also look about this Faint client inside the Spring Cloud documentation that I have given, and come tomorrow for the session. We will actually implement the Stripe payment gateway from tomorrow. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Yeah. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.